Okay, now tell me about your lotion here.
I have lotion so I can go down to pay.
In outer space.
I'm putting some lotion for Daddy and all the monkeys.
For Daddy and all the monkeys?
And all the kitty cat too.
And all the kitty cats too? Are they all going to outer space?
They see the Daddy. They're out of pay market. So they can be there in their house. I put it all everywhere.
Now, why do you need lotion when you go to outer space?
Because so no monkey get me.
So no monkeys will get you?
But it's out of pay.
So the outer space monkeys won't get you?
Why did they out of pay?
Oh.
I get these.
Now, what about a hat? Do you need a tinfoil hat?
No, but a hat. I tell you your hat.
You have a tinfoil hat?
And do I have a shoe on so I can go out of pay?
You need an outer space suit?
I have one.
You have one.
I put out. And Mommy will go out of pay too.
I'm going to go in outer space too? Do I need lotion?
I'm putting all you in because not like any monkey, any train monkey that get on the
There is a lot of lotion on your tray, you're right. Now let's not put any more.
I put any more so I can get lot of animals to come and get all the paint lotion I have.
You're going to get a lot of animals to come get all the space lotion? Oh. Okay. Can you wave bye-bye to Daddy?
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Okay.